In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit, reduce, or delete logged time in Jira. If you've ever logged the wrong amount of time on an issue or added time to the wrong ticket by mistake, don't worry. This is something that happens all the time, and thankfully, Jira makes it pretty simple to correct. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right issue, find the work log entry, edit it if needed, or delete it and start fresh. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian Jira site. If you normally sign in through the Atlassian login page, you can do that as well. Once you're signed in and looking at your Jira dashboard, open the project you're working in and then select the issue where the incorrect time entry was logged. This could be a task, story, or bug, depending on how your team organizes work. Once the issue is open, look for the activity section. In many Jira views, this appears near the bottom of the issue details, although the exact layout can vary a little depending on your configuration. Inside activity, click the work log tab. This will show you a list of all time entries that have been logged against that specific issue, usually in chronological order. Now carefully find the exact work log entry you want to change. On the right side of that entry, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit option. If you don't see a pencil right away, click the three-dot menu to reveal more actions, including edit and delete. If you're editing the entry, click edit. A small window will open where you can update the time logged. Click into the time logged field, remove the incorrect value, and enter the correct one, such as 2 hours, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. You'll also see an option for adjusting the remaining estimate. You can let Jira handle that automatically or choose a manual adjustment if your workflow requires more control. If the work log is completely wrong and you'd rather remove it entirely, use the trash can icon or choose delete from the menu instead. When the confirmation appears, review the remaining estimate option, select the setting that makes sense for your issue, and confirm the deletion. After making your change, click Save or Update. Jira will apply the update and close the window. As a final check, look at the time tracking panel on the right side of the issue and confirm that the logged time and remaining estimate now display correctly. That's it. Your time tracking is now corrected and your issue should reflect accurate effort data going forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.